Here's a really cool way in which you can hide the apps on your home screen within the app drawer on your Nothing phone with Android 14. Make sure you have the latest update to get access to this feature here. So basically, the Nothing phone will always have the app drawer enabled, and in order to hide apps into the app drawer, swipe from the left to right area here, simply long press a blank area like this here, and you'll go to Home Settings right there, Home Settings. And in the main home settings of your Nothing phone, just go to where it says Hide App Icons. It's a really low security type of hiding apps, but if you just simply want to hide it away from the public view, this is where you would go to do it. So once you're in this section here, and let's say there are some apps you want to hide away, like let's say you want to hide your Messages app and your Messenger app. So you'll see the ones that are hidden, it will say hidden icons, and then just simply back away from here, okay? Just close it out, everything. Then in order to access this feature, you'll go into the app drawer and then you'll swipe from the left to the right like this here and release it. Once you're here now, you will see the apps here that you hid away, okay? And of course you can tap on it and open it up. So what's really good about all of this is that your apps won't be in the app drawer or like on the home screen or anything like that, the ones that you hide away. So it's a really low security type of hiding apps, but once you have it hidden, the only way you can access them is by there, okay? And of course, if you want to remove them in the future, just do the same thing, long press, home settings, then go to where it says hide app icons and simply just tap on the minus right there to remove them, okay? And that's going to remove it from the hide apps, okay? So it's a pretty cool new feature, and that's that. Like and sub.